Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check all redeemed V-Bucks card. Now the first thing you should remember is that a Fortnite V-Bucks card is a physical card that can be purchased at authorized retail stores. It contains a code that when you redeem adds a specific amount of V-Bucks to your Fortnite account. Now don't forget that V-Bucks are also the in-game currency used in Fortnite to purchase cosmetic items like skins, emotes and the battle crest. Now, how do we check all redeemed V-Bucks cards on Fortnite? Unfortunately, there isn't a specific way to check all your redeemed V-Bucks cards directly within the Fortnite game or the Epic Games website. However, you can still check your V-Bucks balance to see how many V-Bucks you have available. From inside the game, launch Fortnite. This is the Fortnite. I'm inside the game. So you should launch Fortnite. And then your V-Bucks balance is displayed in the top right corner of the main menu screen. This is my main menu screen. I'm not seeing it. Maybe because I don't. Okay, there's more V-Bucks. Click on more. Click on V-Bucks. Okay. Not seeing it because I actually don't have a V-Bucks balance or anything like that. It's supposed to be displayed. Let's go back from Fortnite here. It's supposed to be displayed around top right corner, so around this area, but unfortunately because I don't have one, it's not displayed. The second way you can do it is from Epic Games website. So click from your browser, type in epicgames.com and to bring you to this particular place here. This is what I did, epicgames.com. So to bring you here, and then from here you log into your Epic Games account, go to your account settings. I'm already in account settings here by clicking on this, going here to account settings. Then the left hand sidebar, click on in-game currency. In-game currency, this is it. Click on in-game currency, as you can see. So the next thing you're going to do, it will be displayed. Your Fortnite V-Bucks balance is supposed to be displayed under your end or granted V-Bucks section. End or granted here. So it's supposed to be displayed here around this area. But as you can see, musical, I don't have one, nothing is displayed. So that's it. And if you are concerned about a specific V-Bucks card redemption, you can always contact Epic Games support for assistance. They may be able to provide more information about your redemption history. Hope you found this video helpful on how to check all redeemed V-Bucks cards on Fortnite. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.